Welcome back guys. In our last video, we discussed how to declare variables and about data types. In this video, we will be focusing on how to take user inputs in Java. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. In Java, there are several ways to take user input. Here are some methods. First, using the scanner class. This is one of the most commonly used way to get user input in Java. Second, using buffered reader and input stream reader. This method is slightly more complex. Third, using the console class. This is useful for interactive command line programs. Note that this method may not work in some IDEs. Fourth, using JOption paint for GUI input. This method is useful for graphical user interface applications. Each method has its own use case depending on the complexity and requirements of the application. In this tutorial, we will use the most common and convenient method for beginners. First, open your created project and the class we created in the last video. At the top of the editor, you need to import the java.util package because the scanner class is part of this package. To do this, type import java.util.scanner at the end semicolon. Scanner S should be capital. Next, we need to create a new scanner object in the main method. In the main method, type the scanner class with a valid variable name. I will name my variable simply scanner. Then create a new scanner object that reads from the standard input stream. Here's the code. Before taking user input, print a specific message. I print enter your name. Next, we need to read a line of text from the input. Create a new variable for getting a string value because the name is a string. The scanner class in Java provides various methods to read different types of input from the user. For strings, we use the next line method. So, we successfully took the user input. Let's check if it was received correctly by the printing the message. It's a good practice to close the scanner object to prevent resource leaks. Close the main method and run your program to see if it works. I reckon you have a clear idea about how to take user input. So now let's quickly review some other methods we can use to read user inputs. This is all for this video. I hope you found it helpful and now understand how to take user inputs in Java using the scanner class. If you have any doubts or questions about this tutorial, feel free to comment below and I will be happy to help you out.